Hello friends, good day to you all wherever you might be right now across the world. I welcome you to this channel today. This is Lasso Johnny Talk. This channel is created so that I can share with you my ideas on online investment platform, how to make money online, how to be financially free, secured and settled, and how to avoid online fraudulent investment opportunities so that you are not going to lose your hard-earned money to fraudsters. Okay, if you are new on this channel or you are yet to subscribe, please kindly do that now. Subscribe to this channel by hitting the subscription button, and also click on the notification bell. Turn it to all notification so that you'll be continually aware whenever I upload a new video. And if you found out that this video or any of the content here is meaningful and useful to you, please do not hesitate to like and share with your friends and family, because that can be an information they've been waiting for their financial turnaround. And as we all know that without information, without the very good information, there is not positive transformation. So just to make sure you give it the widest publicity that you think it deserves. Actually, I have several content here on this channel, up to 262 videos now, so feel free to browse through the channel and watch any of the videos there. And you are also expected to do your own personal research to know if it's what you can if it is what you really want to do, because these are a few ways whereby I have been making money online, and I think it's really worth sharing, provided you are ready to take the risk that I took. And I also like to tell you that online investment platform has its own risk, physical investment has its own risk. So there's no business online, there's no business in the physical world without any risk. So for you to say you don't want to take any risk is even riskier. But what I will always advise you is just to take a calculated risk and don't put all your eggs in one basket. Try to diversify your income. All right, and it's very good to have a multiple streams of income as well. Okay, so now in today's video I'm going to share with you a particular platform whereby you can make money online, Okay, so quickly, without taking much of our time, so let me take you to the platform here. So the name of the platform is GMG. So all you just need to do is to the description box of this video for the registration link. So when you get registered, you are going to okay, so let me log into my account. So you just need your phone number to get started. Your phone number is to get started. So you just, okay, let me show you how to get registered. So you just need to click on register here. Click on register here. So when you click on register here, so it will take you to the registration page. Okay, so all you just need to do is to input your phone number. You need to check your country code. I'm in Nigeria, so that's why it starts with +234. Then you input your phone number. After you input your phone number, you put in your login password and you confirm your login password, and you fill in the captcha. Then you click on register. So automatically you get registered and you can sign up to your account. All right, but I've already registered, so I'm going to log into my own account right now. So let me pause this video so that I can input. Now I've successfully logged into my account, so I want to show you how you can get started. But first and foremost, what was the name of the company? The name of the company is DMATRX.com. So what are they into? So you can click on this button here, on the company button, so that you can know much about the company, so that you can know about what they do there. All right, let me read. I'm going to read briefly. GMG is a clean technology focused company which aims to offer energy saving products and solutions and energy storage products enabled by graphene manufactured in-house via a proprietary production process. In 2017 and 2018, GMG developed and proved its proprietary production process to produce GMG graphene from natural gas. So the information here is very long, so I might not be able to read everything. So just go to the platform and read everything about it for more information about it. So let me go back to the main page, to the home page, to show you how you can get some money out of this. So in short, the company, they are into production of power of excuse me, they are into production of some components whereby it saves electricity, that saves power, like battery, aluminum ion or lithium battery. So they invest in these power products so that they can provide power at on daily basis 24/7. As we all know that power generation is a big problem in these days, most especially in this part of the world. And so whenever there's a problem or whenever there's to it, making money, it is inevitable. So you just need to capitalize on the problem on ground and provide a solution so that you too can make money in the process. So now, for you to make money here in this company, there are several packages. After you have successfully created your account, then the next thing to do is to fund your account. For you to fund your account, just click on recharge here. Click on recharge. So when you click on recharge here, then you'll be taken to a page whereby you choose how much you want to deposit, starting from 4,000, 8,000, 15,000, 3,000. Sorry, 30,000, 70,000, 150k, and 300,000. You can also input the amount here. Choose recharge method. So channel 1. So when you click on recharge, okay, sorry, first you need to click on the amount. Let's say you want to deposit 300,000, then you click on recharge. So after you click on recharge, so it will bring you here. The correct transfer narration must be entered, otherwise the recharge will not be successful. So just click on Iyabo Shola Wakilat Sumonu. So you are going to pay into this particular account. You are going to pay into this account 955069771. You copy it out, your 300,000 to this particular account. The name is Pampe. So you just need to input the sender name. You input the sender name. So, and in a very short period of time, the money will reflect in your account. The money will reflect in your account. So that is how to fund your account now. So after you have successfully done that, the next thing for you is to now invest on the particular one that you want to do. So for instance, we have aluminium one, which costs 2,000 naira, and you'll be earning 500 naira in 24 hours. That is 500 naira per day. That means in just 4 days you have your capital back. So you can go for the aluminium 2 also. It costs 4,000 naira. You earn 1,000 naira daily. Aluminium 3, it costs 8,000 naira. You earn 2k daily. Aluminium 4, 15,000 naira. You earn 3,750 daily. Aluminium 5, that costs 30,000. You earn 75 daily in 19 hours. Aluminium 6, that is 70,000. You earn 17,500 daily. Aluminium 7, that is 450k. You earn 37,500 daily. Aluminium 8 costs 300,000, whereby you earn 75,000 naira daily. Aluminium 9 is 600,000, and you earn 150,000 naira in 10 hours. So that means in 20 hours you are going to earn 300,000. So in 2 days you have your capital back. So you just need to invest based on your capacity, based on your financial strength. So that is what I'm going to advise you. Don't put all your money into any investment like this. So if you are financially buoyant to go for the aluminium 9, then fine. If you are financially buoyant to go for aluminium 8, that is fine. So just go for any of the packages depending on your financial strength. Don't put your money for basic needs into investment like this, and don't put all your savings into an investment like this. So you just need to be very smart. You need to be very, very swift with this kind of investment platform. All right, because many people are making money there, and I won't like to call it a scam, because in actual, some people are making money there. It is not a scam to them, and there is no investment platform that will last for everlasting. So you just need to make a while the sun shine, and the early birds will also eat the fattest. We also get the warmth rather. So if you have decided to go for it, then you need to act very, very fast. You need to be among the early birds. All right, so this is what I have to share with you in this video today about DMATRX.com. So many people have been making money in it, and the withdrawal is very, very fast and swift. It takes few hours for it to drop into your USDT or into your bank account. So just try to capitalize on this opportunity now if you are financially buoyant enough, and if you have decided it is what you want to do, because you need to be responsible for your action. All right, thank you so much for watching this video. Anyway, my name is Olukunle John, the creator of this channel. If you have any questions concerning this video or any of the content on Lasso Journey Stock, you can browse, you can chat me up on WhatsApp or through my email, or send your messages through the content box, through the comment box of this video. I'm going to reply your messages as soon as possible. And also check the description box of this video for more information, especially for the registration link to get started in this business. Okay, thanks so much for watching this video again. And if you are yet to subscribe, please kindly do that now. Click on the subscription button and also click on the notification bell. Turn it to all notifications so that you'll be continually have video like this. All right, till the next video, have a wonderful day ahead, and I love you all. Bye for now. Meet me in the next video.